One of the last two parts missing is how do I actually see the project performance and the reconciliation of your project once you're done. For that point, I switch to my dashboard, go to a company list, go to launched, and click on this project. I usually like using this project for the purpose of showing how the target performance is going to be looking. Scroll down here, and here we can see, as soon as you press that launch button, the target performance, which is grayed out and just available after launch, fills with the live data. You will straight away see an indication of how many completes from what you wanted are already achieved. You can see how many starts that you had in your project, and of these starts, how many percent, what, in case you want to go by numbers, the absolute number was completes, incompletes, screenouts, over quotas, or completes refused. Completes refused is everything at the bottom 1/3 of the median LOI gets automatically a complete refused. These complete refused won't count towards your complete account and will also not be put on your invoice, because we assume that these are speeders, hence bad quality, and you will not need to pay for them. You get a basic overview over your conversion, as well as it compares the incidence rate to what you've put in. In this case, 100% was put in. We are actually at 94%, and we've put 1 minute LOI in, and we are actually at a 1 minute LOI. So this was for the overview of the performance metrics. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you found this video series helpful. Please reach out to us in case of any questions, and be sure to ask Dynata for end-to-end help with your research and audience needs.